Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a uh, topic of integration and differentiation, June 2013 paper. So what the first part we have coordinates of B and C we need to find. B is here, and actually this is called equation of tangent, and this is called equation of normal, and there is 90-degree between them. So job number one, I need to find how to find B coordinates. So I must need equation of tangent, and for C coordinate, I must need equation of normal. So first job number one, I will go for equation of tangent, equation of normal. And for that, you must need differentiation, the equation of curve. So dy over dx, power 4 comes down, power 1 less becomes 3 times to base derivative. X has a 1 derivative and 0, 2 has a constant, so 0 derivative. Clear? So let's move on next. This has become 1, so if you write or you don't write in this condition, no problem. And what a point tangent at 1, 1. So I can say that at a 1, 1. So I will plug in x1. So what is gain of tangent turns to b. So this one you plug in the place of 1 becomes like this. This way 1, no need write. So here I got -1 to power 3 negative, so ultimately become -4. And grain of normal, naturally negative reciprocal reason, it has 1 in denominator. And when I flip like this, ups and downs, so sign will change. So become 1 by 4 and positive sign become changes. You write plus sign or you don't write, no problem at all. Now I'm finding equation of tangent. So equation of tangent. How to find equation of tangent? Formula is very clear. Y minus y1 equals to m times to x minus x1. Grain of tangent is 4. Minus 4, I will replace minus 4. X1 is 1 and y1 is other one. So I'm going to replace both values, x1 and y1. So 1 and 1. So y minus 1 equals to -4x and plus 4, ultimately equals to -4 and plus 5. Equation of tangent is done. How to get coordinates of B? So because tangent is cutting x-axis, and x-axis always y0. So I'm going to replace y0 in equations here. So I'm writing here, put y0. So when I put y0, so 0 is equal to -4x plus 5. 4x goes on other side, and this is a B coordinates 5/4. So coordinate he's asking for, so I'm writing in a B coordinate form. So B comma 5/4 comma 0. So this is my answer for B coordinate. How to get C coordinates? So first of all, I need equation of normal. Formula still same, y minus y1 equal to m of normal time to x minus x1. Again, y1 is this one, again x1 is this one, and gain of normal is this one. So I replace, okay, I do it now this time, this way, 1/4 x minus 1. So 4 multiply left hand side, it make easy, like get rid of issue of the fraction thing. Okay, 4y is equals to x and plus 3. So this is equation of the normal. When line cut, the y-axis always here x0. I put here x0. So when I put x0, it gives you 4y is equal to 0 plus 3, and y is equal to 3/4. And coordinate of C becomes 3/4. The y coordinate becomes 0, 3/4. Now for 2 marks, he's asking distance of AC. And A is here, C is here. C coordinates here, A coordinates there. And distance formula, all of us familiar. And that is a formula that x2 minus x1 whole square. And y1 minus y1, y2 minus y1 whole square. Write it any order. So Finally, what I'm writing now, I can start from any. So start from here. 1 minus 3 by 4, or say this 1 minus 0. So 1 minus 0 whole square. And this 1 minus 3 by 4. So this is done. And now just he given us in the form of the root A. So root A by B. So root, it's turned to be 1 and plus 1 minus 3 divided by 4 and square it. So answer is coming with us is root 17 by 4. And if he said even A and B are integers. So this integer, and we are getting A is 17 and B is actually equal to 4. So we have finished part number 1 and part number 2. And now I'll go for part number 3. So let's talk about a third part. And third part we have here is equation of shared area. So first of all, I elaborate. For example, this is a curve. And if I find out this area of curve, for example, this area of curve, and this is ending point is here, and this point I drop a perpendicular, it actually coming from here. So is x1 here? So this is a 1, and this point I don't know, but I can find it because the curve is touching the x-axis, and when it touch, y always 0 here. So I will put y0. When I put y0 here, my students, what happens? 0 is equals to x minus 2 to power 4. 4 power goes on the other end, so it becomes x minus 2. In short, I'm getting x is equal to 2. So this point, I'm getting 2. So 1 to 2, 1 to 2. If I integrate the curve equation, I get this full area. It means I get this full area if I integrate the curve from 1 till 2. So 1 till 2. Curve equation given here. So what is the plan of action? If I integrate this curve equation with the 1 to 2, I get this full area from curve till x-axis. You can see. And if after this, if I integrate, this is called equation of tangent, T for tangent. We have already in the previous part. So if I integrate, I'm going to show in the blue color here. This. So this is this area. I asked this. I give this blackish area is my target. And problem is very clear. You can think that area under curve full 1 to 2. If I subtract this area, this blue area, so this blue area I have to subtract. Okay, and but I what must need this coordinate of B, and B coordinate we have it. I think so is a 5 upon 4. So this is a or 4 upon 5. Okay, I think I'll check later on 5 upon 4. I think so. Anyway, so this point I need. It means if I equation of the curve integrate 1 to 2. In equation of tangent, integrate 1 to the B coordinates, which I have already. Okay, these 2 points I need to get the shaded area. And the B coordinates is a 5 upon 4. So this B is a 5 upon 4. So plan is ready. And let's see how we can fulfill the plan. Let's start. So plan is ready. And what is the plan? We have a plan is so clear. Shaded area. So plan is shaded area. Is getting by what technique? So integration of the curve area, integration of tangent area and the tangent. So this is a whole planning. So let's see how we can fulfill a plan. Best idea, if you it will create trouble sometime if you go together all together, or you can do all together even, no problem. It's not a big task. 1 to 2 for curve, 1 to 2 curve. Curve equation is this. X minus 2 to power 4 and 1 to 4 by 5. I say 5 upon 4 because B coordinates we have. Let me write the B coordinates. So B coordinates is 5 upon 4. And equation of tangent is with us as y is equals to negative 4x plus 5. I got in the first part. So 5 upon 4 is upper limit. An equation of tangent I'm copying here, and this is a plus 5, not minus 5. So minus 4x plus 5 dx. Now plan is ready. I'm going to start this question and sorry, end this question inshallah. And what is that? I said before many times, when x power is 1, this is called linear. Linear means straight line equation. When I draw this equation, I get a straight line. So this inside one actually. So a straight line means no expanding, no need to expand. Directly integrate, integration of the whole thing become 5 over 5 into base derivative. And what is the base derivative? 2 has a 0 and x has a 1. So 1 you write or you don't write, no trouble at all. Now, what is integration of it has no power. I will deal them separately. So minus 4x, what is power of x is 1 here, become 2 by 2. It is a very clear. And 5 become 5x and 1 till 5 upon 4. Lot of patience required to solve this kind of question. I'm writing in the right hand side. So SA or just writing area. Okay, this 5 I can plug in directly, no problem. When I plug in 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 5 is 0. When I plug in 1 minus 2 is a minus 1, minus 1 to power 5 will give you minus 1. So minus 1 over 5. This is done. I repeat again. First I plug in 2. When I plug in 1, I got a minus 1 to power 5, minus 1 comes, and this 5 come from here. And this formula of the minus, okay. Now I'm discussing the second part. Put pi by 4 here. Here a lot of chance of mistake. So we have to be very carefully, very carefully, and especially use a calculator and with the brackets. For example, put this one and this 4 and 2 cancel out. I think it can cancel out. I can show you negative 2, and in the bracket I'm showing 5 over 4 whole square plus 5 times 2, 5 over 4. I'm doing step by step, so you should not get any mistake. And wait a minute, this bracket start, this bracket finish. Now minus sign, start and finish, and then as a big close. I plug in 5 over 4 here, and here I got this. Now plug in 1 in both places. So negative 2 into 1 to power 2 and plus 5 into 1. Okay, now I'm going to finish my question. This is 1 over 5 positive. Here I have to do carefully. This becomes negative 2 times 2, 25 divided by 16, correct? And plus 25 divided by 4. How? Because 5 5s are 25 and 4 alone. So I am getting answer from here 25 or 8. Minus this minus come from here. Now a second point. This comes very simple. Negative 2 come from the first point and plus 5. So it means simply 3 comes. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and I'm going to finish 1 divided by 5 minus 25 divided by 8 and plus 3 if I open the bracket. So 3 by 40 unit square is the area of the shaded part, and that Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen we have finished complete.